What's good, YouTube? Hope all is well with you. This is the Valiant Scents coming at you once again with another review, another fragrance mini series, if you will. We've got some new recruits here and I need to introduce them. But before we do, first and foremost, we have to shout out all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you for rocking with me, including the times where the lighting fixtures are not working the way that I want them to, but we're adjusting. We're still getting you out that content. I'm going with natural light today, so you let me know down in the comment section how this looks to you. Of course, I review the videos myself, but I want to know from you how this looks, and at the times when I have to do what I have to do and still get you that content. This is all natural light indoors right now, and so hopefully this will work well for the time being. It's not forever, but for the time being. Like I said, we are going with a new display series, as the old display series or previous warm weather display series is no longer. So we are moving forward with these new recruits here. Gotta introduce them. This is from the House of English Laundry. Of course, you know the middle is not English Laundry. That is from the House of Dojo Candles, Antoine 33. Of course, I've already reviewed that, but we're gonna get into the English Laundry fragrances that we have right here. And so they came in this box right here. And the only reason I'm not displaying them inside is because within the box, they were in this hard plastic casing within the box. There was some plastic casing within this box right here, and it was forever trying to get those things out of there. And it's real squeaky and loud plastic that the 4 fragrances were encased in. So I figured I'll just leave them out, but I'll show you the box and what they came in. Of course, I've been wearing them because 2 of these I have worn previously, and the other 2 I was definitely testing out. We're gonna start off with the surprising, just because of when I've worn them and the most complimented thus far, the biggest crowd pleaser, which I thought it was gonna be my number 1, but it is actually Throne from the House of English Laundry as part of this 4-piece set. As you can see, it's got the carbon fiber there on the back there and Throne on the front from the House of English Laundry. Like I said, this one is the crowd pleaser thus far. Gonna go ahead and spray it. Remind myself of it. Let the alcohol dissipate. But I've always admired and been fond of this particular fragrance house, and it thrills me to be able to review it again. Only regret is one of them that's not a part of this casing, and part of this set rather, which I think I still will review eventually, and that is Riviera. It's not in this case, I mean not in this set, but I definitely will get to that eventually. But for Throne, again, smells very good. For the warm weather, we have main accords, according to Fragrantica: musky, powdery, fresh, spicy, woody, citrus, lavender, fruity, floral, violet, and aromatic. And then with the notes, we have green apple, lemon zest, black pepper. Middle notes are lavender, violet, water lily. Base notes are musk, ambrette, cedar wood, and cashmere wood. The times that I've worn this, as you can see, I've definitely put something in, a dent in there. I definitely get the green apple. I get a little bit of lemon. Don't really get pepper. Don't really get spicy pepper, and black pepper in particular. If you didn't include that, I'd be fine with it, because black pepper to me, of all the peppers, seems to be the most harsh, and usually people don't do well with blending in the black pepper. And I don't get it at all here, and that's totally fine with me. I get the lavender, I get the violet. I don't really get water lily, and I haven't had that much experience with water lily, to be honest. And then I definitely get the musk on the dry down, and I get a little bit of cedar wood. I don't get cashmere. I do not get cashmere wood. But overall, like I said, this is a crowd pleaser. This is very good. Like I said, it's a part of this set that I purchased. It was only $20 at Marshall's. And these go, and even the full bottles, the 100 mLs, I think are only going for maybe $35 to no more than $40 the last time I checked. Might be even cheaper than that. But this is definitely a crowd pleaser, like I said, a good freshie. from the House of English Laundry, this is Throne. So this is part 1, and be on the lookout for parts 2, 3, and 4 of this new display series, the English Laundry display series for me. Until next time, believe until you stop breathing. This is the Valiant Sense. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe as we continue on our journey. We'll see you in the next video.